Hey there, creative souls. Welcome back to StrokeSquadStudio. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified about all our latest tutorials. Today, we're diving into the essentials of painting with a focus on basic techniques perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about materials. The type of brushes you use can significantly impact your painting. For beginners, I recommend starting with a variety of round and flat brushes. Each has its unique use. Round brushes are great for detail work, while flat brushes cover larger areas and create sharp edges. When it comes to paints, acrylics are fantastic for beginners because they dry quickly and are very forgiving. Watercolors are great for delicate work, and oils, though beautiful, require more patience due to their longer drying times. Lastly, investing in quality paper or canvases will make a huge difference in your painting experience. Next, let's cover some basic color theory. Understanding how colors interact is crucial. We start with primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. These cannot be mixed from other colors. By mixing primary colors, you get secondary colors: green, orange, and purple. Remember the difference between warm colors, like reds and yellows, which bring energy to your painting, and cool colors, like blues and greens, which can create a calming effect. Practice mixing these to see how they interact and create harmony in your artwork. A clutter-free, well-organized workspace can boost your creativity and efficiency. Ensure you have all your materials within reach: brushes, paints, water, rags, and a palette. Good lighting is also essential. Natural light is best, but if that's not an option, a daylight lamp works great. Set up your easel at a comfortable height and angle. Keep your space tidy and clean your brushes between color changes to keep your colors vibrant and true. Let's move on to some basic brush techniques. How you hold and control your brush can change the entire look of your painting. For detailed work, hold the brush like a pencil. For broader strokes, hold it further back to allow for more movement. Practice making different strokes: thin lines with the tip of a round brush, broad strokes with the flat side of a flat brush, and dry brushing for texture. Experiment with pressure: light pressure for thin lines and more pressure for thicker, bolder strokes. Now, let's do some simple exercises to build your skills. Start with gradients. Mix a color with white to create different shades and practice blending them smoothly. Next, try painting basic shapes like circles, squares, and triangles to get a feel for control and precision. Layering is another essential technique. Start with a base layer, let it dry, and then add details on top. This creates depth and dimension in your work. Composition is about arranging elements in your painting to create balance and interest. A great tool is the rule of thirds. Imagine your canvas divided into 9 equal parts. Place focal points at the intersections to create a more dynamic composition. Creating a focal point helps draw the viewer's eye to the most important part of your painting. Use contrasting colors or detailed elements to highlight this area. Every beginner makes mistakes, and that's okay. Here are a few to watch out for. Overworking the paint. Knowing when to stop is key. Not allowing layers to dry, this can lead to muddy colors. Using too much or too little paint, find a balance that works for your style. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. Embrace them and learn from them. Finally, let's talk about finishing touches. Knowing when your painting is finished can be tricky. Step back and take a break. Look at your work with fresh eyes. Add any final details and highlights to bring your painting to life. Preserve your artwork by applying a varnish or framing it. This not only protects your painting, but also gives it a professional look. And that's it for today's tutorial on basic painting techniques. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start your painting journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Stroke Squad Studio, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy painting, and see you in the next video.